In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new lead stage in Salesforce. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, which is perfect for anyone who wants to customize their Salesforce environment for better lead management. To get started, you'll first need to go to Setup in Salesforce. This is your go-to place for configuring anything in Salesforce, from user settings to modifying your data model. Accessing Setup is simple. Just click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of your Salesforce interface and select Setup from the drop-down menu. Once you're in Setup, you'll need to locate the Object Manager. To do this efficiently, use the Quick Find box, which is situated at the top left of the page. Type in Object Manager, and it should appear as one of the first results. Click on it to proceed. Next, you'll want to search for the lead object within Object Manager. This can easily be found in the list of standard and custom objects that Salesforce displays. By selecting lead, you are essentially telling Salesforce that you want to make changes related to leads specifically. After selecting the lead object, you will need to click on Fields and Relationships. This section is where you can manage all the data fields that are associated with the lead object, including modifying existing fields and adding new ones. Now look for lead status in the list of fields. It's usually among the standard fields available in Salesforce. Click on Lead Status. This is the field that holds all the stages or statuses that a lead can be in, from the initial contact to a closed sale. To add a custom status, you'll see a New button. Go ahead and click on it. This will allow you to create a custom lead stage that fits your specific business needs. When you've clicked New, you'll be prompted to add a new lead stage. Enter a name that clearly indicates the purpose or meaning of this new stage. This name should be intuitive for anyone else who will be managing leads within your organization. Once you've named your new lead stage and possibly configured any additional settings that your business may require, it's time to save your changes. So, click Save to finalize the process. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new lead stage in Salesforce, enhancing your lead management workflow with a custom touch. Integrating this new stage allows you to better categorize and track leads as they move through your sales pipeline. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you in setting up your Salesforce account to better suit your business needs.